guys, how's it? It's Werner again from Let's Talk with Werner, and I'm quite excited today because I've got my new toy that I'll be unboxing, my new Canon XA11 video high definition video camera. Please note this is not a technical video. I have no technical know or knowledge, so I will not be talking a lot of gibberish of stuff that I don't know. I just want to share with you my new toy. This is the first one of 2 videos because I bought some other accessories that goes with the camera. And yeah, let's dig in. Let's see what's in the box. Okay guys, there's my XA11, still in its box. It's got all this stuff. Let's see what's inside. Wow, what is inside? Okay, we've got booklets, little book, cable, battery, another battery, electric cable, thingy-mabob. Looks like the thing on the top. I told you I'm not technical. And this looks like the camera. Got a sock. Difficult to do this with one hand. And there's the camera. Screen, buttons, there's a place for SD card. Okay. Awesome. Let's see what else is in the box. Screws. For a microphone. Looks like the handle. Awesomeness. Anything else in the box? No, nothing more. Oh, okay. Got the camera. The thing for the front. Battery. Cables. Handle, thingy-mabob, extra stuff. That's it. That's my Canon XA11. And the reason why I've chosen the Canon XA11 is apparently because it's got a 20 times zoom, as you can see there. 20 times zoom, digital zoom. It's got quite a nice, you can do quite a nice lot of stuff with it. For example, it's got infrared to videos at night and stuff like that. It's got a nice wide angle lens, and like I said, the 20 zoom. So yeah, I think this is enough for me. I don't need anything more. It's high HD video that it takes. I don't need 4K, and not that I know what it does or what the difference is between the two. Just know the files are bigger. And that's about it. But other than that, this is the XA11. I hope you enjoyed. Please watch out for the second part of this video, which is the accessories.